Ready to give your home a stylish refresh without overthinking the details? These designer-inspired furniture ideas bring elegance, comfort, and personality into every corner of your space. From statement pieces to smart decor upgrades, each one can instantly elevate the look and feel of your home. All the products featured are linked in the description below. Some chairs invite you to sit. This one practically pulls you in. The iconic lounge chair with matching ottoman blends timeless design with deep, sink-in comfort. Curved wooden shells support soft leather cushions that cradle your body as you relax. The tilted backrest naturally supports your posture, so long sitting feels effortless. Paired with the ottoman, you can stretch out fully and turn any corner of your home into a personal relaxation zone. Some furniture changes shape depending on how you want to relax. This elegant daybed sofa does exactly that. The adjustable backrest moves smoothly between two positions, letting you use it as a comfortable sofa or stretch it out into a relaxing daybed. Soft leather cushions provide deep comfort, while detailed stitching adds a refined touch. A restored rosewood frame with beautiful wood grain gives it warmth, turning this piece into both seating and statement decor. Your gaming setup just turned into a full command center. This futuristic gaming cockpit surrounds you with 3 monitors, creating a wide 180-degree view that pulls you straight into the action. The memory foam chair supports your body during long sessions, while the built-in massager helps you stay relaxed and focused. Custom R. GB lighting lets you match the atmosphere to your mood. With easy access controls and multiple ports for your gear, everything you need is right within reach. At first glance, it looks like a piece of modern art. But sit down and you'll discover it's a beautifully balanced rocking chair. This unique design is made from 4 curved plywood pieces that slot together to form a smooth oval frame. The shape gently rocks back and forth, creating a calm and relaxing motion. Strong birch plywood keeps it sturdy, while the sculptural design turns it into a statement piece in any room. Your backyard just got its own luxury retreat. This round outdoor daybed is designed like a cozy seashell, giving you a perfect spot to stretch out under the sun. Thick cushions and soft pillows make it incredibly comfortable whether you're lounging, reading, or chatting with friends. The retractable canopy lifts up when you want shade and folds back when you're ready to soak in the sunshine. Durable wicker and a strong steel frame keep it looking great through sun, rain, and everyday outdoor use. Some tables simply hold dinner. This one becomes the centerpiece of the entire room. The sculptural dining table features smooth, curved lines that instantly catch the eye from every angle. Its laminated surface protects the wood from scratches and spills, so it stays beautiful through everyday use. The wide design easily seats a large group, making it perfect for family dinners or lively gatherings. It's a table that blends art, durability, and function all in one striking piece. Some chairs look simple until you notice the craftsmanship behind them. This sculptural lounge chair is carved from rich Brazilian jacaranda wood, known for its deep color and striking grain. The smooth, curved frame creates a natural flow that supports your body as you sit back and relax. Its low, laid-back shape invites you to unwind without effort. More than just seating, it's a beautiful blend of comfort and timeless design. Storage doesn't have to hide in the background. This elegant piece works as both a stylish basket and a practical side table. The leather-covered top flips open with a smooth folding lid, giving you quick access to the space inside. Interwoven leather strips wrap around the frame, creating a rich texture that feels both modern and handcrafted. A sturdy steel base keeps everything stable, so you get storage, style, and a useful tabletop all in one. Your bedroom just got a smart upgrade. This upholstered bed hides extra storage under the mattress, perfect for bedding, clothes, or shoes. The gas lift makes opening it effortless, giving you easy access whenever you need. A tall wingback headboard with subtle horizontal channels adds a touch of elegance and style. With sturdy wood slats, no box spring is needed, making it both practical and beautiful for any bedroom. Some chairs make you fall in love at first sight. The heart cone chair wraps you in a padded, heart-shaped backrest that cradles your body from every angle. Its curved shell forms seat, back, and arms in one seamless design, giving you comfort without compromise. Inspired by a classic design, it's both playful and elegant, making it a standout piece in any room. Sit down, relax, and enjoy a chair that's as much art as it is furniture. Bring warmth and rustic charm into your home with this wooden sofa table. Its long 63-inch surface gives you plenty of space to show off decor, photos, or plants. Crafted from durable engineered wood, it stands up to daily use while keeping that authentic, cozy look. Sturdy foot pads keep it stable and wobble-free, so it's safe and reliable. Place it in your entryway, living room, or hallway. It's versatile and stylish, and assembly is simple with included instructions. Upgrade your relaxation game with this dual-power reclining loveseat. With one-touch controls, you can adjust the position and headrest for the perfect comfort. The zero-gravity design lifts your legs, boosting circulation while the extended ottoman keeps you cozy. Wrapped in water-repellent, family-friendly fabric, it handles spills and everyday life easily. USB plugins keep your devices charged, and the sleek design fits even close to walls, making it stylish and practical. Add a modern touch to any space with this sleek square planter. Its flat, elegant finish makes it a perfect accent for patios, entryways, or living areas. Made from high-density, impact-resistant plastic, it's built to handle both winter chills and summer heat. A removable shelf lets you fill it with soil or swap in a plant insert for versatility. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's stylish, practical, and ready for indoor or outdoor use. What if sitting could be playful? The surf bench turns your movement into gentle waves that flow across the bench. Each person changes the motion, so every sit is a unique experience. No motors, no electricity, just clever engineering and physics at work. Made from high-quality Italian materials, it's durable, stylish, and designed to last, making any space more fun and interactive while you relax. Glow up your space with this LED vanity desk that sets the mood for every occasion. With adjustable lights in multiple colors, you can go from soft reading vibes to full-on party mode. Storage is everywhere. Drawers, shelves, and cubbies keep all your beauty essentials within reach. Built-in power outlets and USB ports make using your hair tools or charging devices easy. The large mirror with adjustable brightness ensures you always look your best, and assembly is simple and straightforward. Rediscover your vinyl like never before with this 90-degree rotating record display. Flip through your collection, then watch it neatly return to a library-style arrangement. Wall or bottom-mounted, it fits your space and keeps records safe with felt-backed panels. Adjustable dividers organize your 7 inches, 10 inches, or 12 inches vinyl perfectly. Sleek and stylish in gloss white or semi-matte black, it turns your collection into a functional piece of art. Give your room a stylish boost with this natural wood and rattan sliding mirror. Smooth tracks let you glide the mirror silently, while 5 hidden compartments keep cosmetics and accessories neatly organized. Rounded corners and a warm rattan frame add charm and softness to any space. Eco-friendly finishes highlight the wood's natural grain without any odor. Wall-mounted and space-saving, it's a practical and elegant upgrade for your dressing area. Tired of digging through your shoes every morning? This rotating vertical shoe carousel brings them all to you with a simple spin. Its sleek design saves space, while soft lighting shows off your favorite pairs. Each tier rotates smoothly and silently, making every shoe easy to access. Premium dark wood adds elegance, and the vertical structure fits neatly in your closet. Finally, your shoes are organized, visible, and ready when you are. Wrap yourself in comfort with this cozy mom hug sofa, designed to feel like a gentle embrace. Its plush cushions and soft fabric cradle you as you read, watch TV, or take a nap. The rounded, inviting design makes it perfect for family rooms or bedrooms. Durable and snug, it's built to hold up to daily use while keeping that warm, hugging feeling. Finally, a sofa that's all about comfort, relaxation, and cozy moments. Relax in style with this boho macrame swing, perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Soft cotton ropes and a comfy pillow make it ideal for reading, sipping coffee, or simply unwinding. The hand-woven design adds a rustic, charming touch to any space. Hang it in your living room, bedroom, or porch and let it cradle you gently. It's a cozy, stylish way to enjoy a quiet moment and embrace comfort. Bring comfort and style to your patio with this outdoor dining set. Soft, thick cushions make every seat cozy, while the hand-woven PE rattan over a sturdy steel frame ensures durability for years. The set includes a table, ottomans, and love seats that you can arrange however you like. Classic design blends wood, iron, and wicker, fitting seamlessly into any outdoor space. Lightweight and versatile, it's perfect for relaxing, dining, or entertaining in style. Sink into comfort with this 2-seat bubble sofa, where modern design meets ultimate relaxation. Its smooth, rounded shape and edge-free curves create a playful yet cozy vibe in any living room or apartment. High-density foam hugs your body, while the breathable honeycomb 3D fabric is soft, durable, and easy to maintain. No assembly needed, just unpack and lounge. Stylish, comfortable, and unique, it's the perfect spot to relax, read, or take a nap. Kick back in style with this convertible armchair that doubles as a bed or futon. Its sturdy Nordic pine frame and adjustable headrest let you recline at multiple angles for maximum comfort. Soft cotton and polyester cushions make curling up with a book or magazine a cozy experience. Sleek white design fits effortlessly into modern spaces. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or apartments. It's both functional and stylish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.